Hey YouTube, since I messed up on the miter cuts so bad last week, I didn't even know it was called a miter cut until somebody commented. I knew about miter saws and now it all connects and makes sense. But anyways, I have a lot of leftover pieces since we're not making this top part on all 3 raised garden beds, and I want to make something cool with them. Let's do some research. We are doing some research. This is what pops up when I Google wood hose holder. This is not the most in-depth research. I like this top left one because it has a cool handle for the sprayer part. Most of them are 4x4 designs that go into the ground. I like this one, I like this one, but we don't have a 4x4. We have a 2x8 and a 2x4. I guess I could make a 4x4. We're not gonna glue 2 pieces of 2x4s together. I think I'm just gonna wing it. The base design will probably look like a box or a square. I don't know. Let's get building. I got the triangular pieces cut off and I cut an 8-foot in half to get these 2 4-feet backing. Now I'm trying to figure out the base design. I don't know how much structural stability it needs. I like the way the H design looks, and I just so happen to have 6 of these 2x4 scraps from the raised garden beds. And I'm even thinking about using one of the triangular pieces in the back to help stand it up a little bit. It looks awkwardly tall, but I didn't want it too low because when you're putting on the hose, you're gonna strain your back. The plan is to make something that sticks out and up, and I don't know what I'm doing. It looks stable. I'm pretty sure it's not gonna fall over. Let's figure out the top part. I wanted to reuse the pieces as much as possible. This one was from the 3-foot that I just cut in half. The other half is over there. These square pieces I cut from the 5-foot one. I went with square because I thought it would look good. Gonna figure out a spot to fasten these down. I don't know how to put this nicely, but they look kind of ugly. I'm gonna need my wife's help to either paint or she's gonna have to decorate it with cute stickers. But currently it looks like some sort of medieval torture device. It pulls the hose. Last step is to make a little holder for the sprayer part, and then we're done. all done putting these together. My wife said to build something to hide those ugly pipes, but she didn't specify that I needed to make something better looking. This one's in the front yard. Let's go to the backyard. I really don't know how to make it look better. I might try smoothing out the edges, or one day we will get to painting and stickering. Might need to do all three of those to make it even a little presentable. Here is the backyard. I know we should love all of our creations. It's growing on me. It's not that bad with the hose on there. I do kind of like it. Okay, fine, I like it. 28th video done.